Hello, friends. Along with daily routine in our lives, sometimes we feel very less confident and we want something that can make us feel confident and positive. So, I am here to share with you some powerful and effective affirmations that can bring back your confidence in minutes. You can also listen to these affirmations daily after waking up in the morning and before sleeping so that your mind gets programmed in such a way that you feel positive, confident, and uplifted every moment of your daily life. Because our brain is the creator of our life, and if our brain is filled with positive thoughts, positive affirmation, then we will achieve success more quickly every moment. So let's start. Sit in a relaxing position. Relax your breath. Take a deep breath and relax your body. Peace your mind and start repeating with me. I am confident. I am powerful. I love myself. I accept myself. I am worthy. I am perfect. I have a powerful personality. I believe in myself. I am happy and confident. I am happy and satisfied in my life. I have everything good in my life. I am powerful. I am very powerful. I love the person I am and the person I am becoming. I love myself. I respect myself. I literally respect myself. I am eligible of doing everything I want. I have the power and a skill to do incredible things in my life. I am very intelligent. I look very beautiful. I appreciate myself. I love myself. I feel very confident in every moment of my life. Everything is okay. Everything is fine. Everyone loves me. Everybody wants me to be their friend. There are only good and positive people in my life who treat me with love and respect that I deserve, that I truly deserve. I deserve to be loved. I deserve to be respected. I deserve to feel confident. I am very powerful, and everybody respects my boundaries, respects my limitations, respects my thoughts, respects my emotions. Everybody respects my emotions and my thought, the way I feel. Everybody understands me. I have only positive people in my life. I have only positive and sincere people in my life. All those people who wanted to bring me down have gone away from my life. Everybody who is negative and don't deserve my time and my emotions have gone from my life. I let them go. I let them go. I let them go. I don't hold negative emotions. I release everything that holds me back. I release every negative emotion that holding me back. I release everything that is pushing me back. I have the power to be successful, to be happy, to be loved. I have the power to grow, to learn, to release. I'm a child of God, and God protects me every moment. I am surrounded by lovely people in my life. I am surrounded by confident, successful, and rich people in my life. I attract more confident, more lovable, more respected persons in my life. I attract successful and positive thinkers in my life. I am blessed. I am happy. I am confident. I love my body. I love the way I am. I love the way I think. I love the way I feel. I love the way I am. I deserve everything positive, everything good in my life. I deserve happiness in my life. I deserve love in my life. I deserve prosperity in my life. I deserve confidence in my life. Now take a deep breath and open your eyes slowly. Thank you. Thank you.